Hello, my name is Rachel O'Kello and I'm a UK-based solicitor specialising in immigration, nationality and deportation law at clarityvisas.com. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you've not been here before, then feel free to subscribe and keep up to date with the information that we share, which is just general information and guidance for people who are interested in UK immigration. So today I wanted to jump on very quickly just to give you some updates, let you know that the UK immigration system is still working. I just did a bail application today by telephone, another bail application by telephone since the coronavirus pandemic, which has meant that the courts are closed and cannot take cannot take members of the public face to face. And so we're therefore having to do our work remotely and represent our clients remotely. So this client was in prison, and although the Home Office did object to bail being granted, the judge did actually accept our arguments and bail was granted, and all that was done over the telephone. So if you are in detention, then you can still make an application for bail, and as the judge said, the application over the phone is just as important as an application which is done face to face at court. I also just want to let you know as well that the Home Office is getting back into action. They are opening up the visa processing centres in the UK for people who already had appointments, but those appointments were cancelled. So you should keep an ear out or an eye out for the Home Office to contact you to let you know that you are able, from it seems the 1st of June, to rebook any cancelled appointments, and they're going to be opening opening more and more as time goes by. So that's reassuring for some people, because particularly those working, employers are getting very edgy now and wanting to know people's immigration status. It's always difficult for people who have to keep renewing their visas to satisfy their employers that they are still lawfully in the country around about the time when their leave to remain expires. So I also wanted to let you know that the Home Office, with the fact of the matter being that we are still in lockdown and we still people still cannot leave the UK and people still cannot enter the UK unless by special flights under special measures, and therefore the Home Office have granted a further extension. They had initially granted an extension up until the 31st of May for short-term visa holders who were stuck in the UK but did actually want to leave. So for people who had come to the UK for a short period and found themselves stranded here during the coronavirus pandemic, the Home Office had granted a facility whereby those people could extend their their visas if they were due to expire up until the 31st of May. Well, we're still in the pandemic situation. We're still technically under lockdown, although many people seem to be doing all sorts during the lockdown, visiting the beach, travelling across the country. But essentially the UK still is in lockdown, and therefore the Home Office have extended further that visa provision so that people whose visas were going to expire or have expired or about to expire, they've extended it into July. So you need to contact the Home Office by the email address, which is on our Facebook page. You can probably find it at Clarity Visas, or via the homeoffice.gov.uk website. You need to let the Home Office know that you're stranded in the UK and you therefore need that visa extension. What they are saying is if you've already had one extension, they will automatically extend the visa going forward. So that it means that you're not stuck in the UK without the correct immigration status. And that's really important, because the Home Office, even if they give you 6 months and you said you were going to stay for 2 months and you stay for 4 months, when you then try to apply to return, they sometimes say, well, we don't understand why you stayed for 4 months, even though you had permission. We don't understand why you stayed longer than the 2 months. So you really need to be careful if you're visiting the UK to ensure that you stay within the immigration rules, so that it doesn't affect any future immigration application that you're going to make. So that's just a quick update, just to jump on to our YouTube channel and let you know where UK immigration is headed during this coronavirus outbreak. So the courts are still functioning, the Home Office is now opening up, and there's visa extensions for people who are still stuck here. Okay, so hope that was helpful. Rachel Okello, solicitor specialising in immigration, nationality and deportation law. You can find us all around the internet at Clarity Visas, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so that I can continue to share the useful information with you. If you want to know something about your case specifically, then we do offer a free case assessment, which is at clarityvisas.com, and you can go to the free assessment link and book a convenient time for us to speak. Okay, so take care, stay safe. Remember, we're still in lockdown, so look after yourself. Bye-bye.